Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good.
Sun was shining bright and the day was golden.
Siya yung klase na hindi yung wala talaga silang parang lambing sa katawan. Hindi sila malambing, pero sumusunod naman. Hindi naman sila yung mga pasaway na mga bata. Hindi siya pasaway na bata.
My favorite day. Put it on repeat, yeah. Even Timberlake can't stop this feeling, yeah, yeah.
Happy birthday, Karil! Mahal na ka ni Lola. Sana mag-aral ka ng mabuti para matupad yung pangarap mo.
My favorite day.
I am wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and all your favorite things. You deserve all the happiness in the world.
Karil, happy birthday anak. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo is i-enjoy mo lang yung pagiging estudyante. Gusto ko talagang tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Happy birthday, anak. Wish you all the best. God bless you always. I love you, anak.
Stay as sweet as you are to our family, but the most of all, you must study hard so that you will reach the goal of your success. I love you, Anna.